like a hurricane. Wait,
I'm gonna go out there for a
don't go out there. Oh, it doesn't pick up so well on camera, but it's really like.
Ready?
Oh my gosh! Go for it.
One. Holy!
Is it cold?
No, I'm
You
just,
already soaked.
I was out there for a second.
I don't want to get wet before I go to school.
Holy shit!
Oh my
That is
days!
insane.
It hasn't rained this hard here. Oh my lord!
Holy shit!
Shut the door!
Lyle, we're not shutting the door.
Damn!
Oh my days! It's okay.
You're
You're
okay.
not gonna die. Seeing some rain today. Oh my goodness, the sky is not blue no more. It's so much worse. You're drenched. Your hair. You're drenched.
I can wring it out.
Up as well. You're soaked. For flow. Oh, we do need. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh!
Holy!
The road!
Hold up.
Wait, what?
We have one in here, yeah?
Of what?
An umbrella?
It's in the garage. Oh my days! Look at it! It's oh my! Oh no! The corner houses, Kelton.
I know, I'm gonna go check them. I just need to find this umbrella.
I don't know where it's located. Oh, I didn't even realize. Look at our yard. Oh my days.
You ready? I'm gonna go check them and I'll let you know how it is. Look at our freaking thing.
Oh, I'm using my camera. It's better to see.
Okay, ready? 3.
Go for it. Is it flooded on the corner houses?
There's like a whole pool over there.
Hey, buddy, stay inside.
Damn.
Wait, I'm gonna open the garage. I want to. Gosh, it's like almost flooded. Why is Wyoming Why is Wyoming like this?
Usually floods all the way up.
Really?
Yeah. Like it'll go up to the top. Looks like all rivers.
Wow,
I'm freaking.
it's like flooded.
You ready?
Oh, the gutters.
I'm gonna go see how deep that is.
Oh, okay, go for it.
Ready?
I mean, like.
Wyoming cross. Holy shit.
Oh my.
Damn.
Wait, I'm gonna follow the truck. See how deep it is over there, friend? Oh, it's not that bad.
Oh, yes it is.
Oh!
What are you talking about? Yes, it is.
Oh!
that
I didn't even notice. I'm sorry. I looked away.
Holy shit.
Now I feel bad for the people that live in trailer homes that are like real bad.
My hair is just soaked.
I thought you were gonna go see. Yeah, damn! Don't lose your shoe. I would go in the rain, but low key, I want to look pretty for school tomorrow. I mean, Yeah, also that, but your feet are gone. Go stand in the middle of somewhere. He's so tiny from over here. Oh my gosh! Look at their look at the Bibbers truck. The
Damn.
thing.
Oh, it's not done yet.
It's definitely not done, but it's slowing down. The rain is at least. Wow. Well, you never know with Wyoming wind. I mean, weather. It just like stops and then it comes back immediately.
Oh, that was insane. And the water's like cold over here, and then over there it's warm.
Huh. The sun's coming out now.
Here comes the sun.
Da, 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 da.
I'm gonna freaking hydroplate on this if I drive later. Start drifting.
Well, this was amazing.
And you got that all on camera?